Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Exercise 4.1, question number 8, right? If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF such that area of triangle ABC is 9 centimeter square and the area of a triangle DEF is 16 centimeter square and BC equal to 2.1 centimeter, find the length of EF. First you should know one thing, if the area of two similar triangle, right, the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Right, once again I am going to repeat, you see, the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. The ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of the square of corresponding sides. Square of corresponding sides. That means how to convert the thing into the mathematical format. Area of a triangle ABC, ratio means it can be written as a fraction. Area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DEF is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides, I said. That means how to write? AB divided by DE the whole square equal to BC divided by EF the whole square equal to AC divided by DF the whole square. The statement I converted into the mathematical format, right? The ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Ratio can be written as a fraction. Here what it is given, BC value is given, they are expecting to find EF. That means these two alone you have to compare and get the result, right? Area of a triangle ABC, what it is given? 9 divided by 16. 9 divided by 16. Area of a triangle DEF is 16. So, the left hand side I replaced by the numerical value. The right hand side you see BC square, BC divided by EF the whole square. What is my BC? BC they given us 2.1, right? Now, the right hand side, the format it should be in the square, the left hand side it is in the fraction. That I am going to convert into the square format, right? How to convert as a square format? If both the sides are square, you can equate easily. So, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square. That can be written as 3 by 4 the whole square equal to BC square divided, BC value you know 2.1 the whole square divided by EF square. See, both the side it is a square. So, you can cancel the square. Easily you can calculate EF, right? EF equal to EF, 2.1 divided by EF equal to 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Both the sides you have square, so you can cancel, that is possible, right? Now EF equal to 4 into 2.1 divided by 3. 4 into 2.1 divided by 3. 0.7. Right. Now what is the answer? EF equal to 2.8. Measurement they given as a unit centimeter. So 2.8 centimeter. Now what is the value of EF? EF equal to 2.8 centimeter. Got it, children? Area of a triangle ABC divided by area of a triangle DEF. You are relating the second one because you know the value as BC. That's why you are comparing these two. BC divided by EF the whole square. Here also I am going to change the format in terms of square. If both the sides of square you can cancel, then you can write it as 2.1 divided by EF equal to 3 by 4. You cross multiply, you will arrive the result of EF is 2.8 centimeter. Now question number 9. Two vertical poles of height 6 meter and centimeter are erected above a ground level, horizontal ground AC. Find the value of U. Erected in the sense it will give you 90 degree. That is the meaning, right? Straight. Now you see APAC QBC 1. Next RCA QBA. Two things, right? Bigger triangle in that smaller, again one big small triangle in that another one triangle. We are going to discuss similarity. Using the similarity we are going to find the value of Y. Got it, children? First triangle CBQ CAP. In triangle CBQ and triangle CAP. What you observe from the diagram you see here, children, forget about this line and all. It is erected, that means it makes an angle 90 degree. From the diagram you can observe this as 90 degree, right? So what is your conclusion here? Angle C is common. Angle C is common. Next, angle CBQ equal to angle CAP equal to 90 degree. Right? Now, by AA similarity, you can say corresponding sides are proportional. By AA similarity, triangle CBQ similar to triangle CAP, right? If the triangles are similar, you can conclude the corresponding sides are proportional. How to say corresponding sides are proportional? You see, CB divided by CA equal to BQ divided by AP. Corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Now you know the value of BQ and AP, right? CB divided by CA equal to B की value is Y, AP value is 6. Now CB equal to Y into CA divided by 6, that is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Now I am going to move to the triangle CRA BQA, right? CRA BQA. Triangle CRA, triangle BQA, right? CRA BQA. Here angle A is common. Angle A is common. Then RCA QBA equal to 90 degree, right? RCA QBA equal to 90 degree. Now which similarity? AA similarity, right? By AA similarity, triangle CRA similar to triangle BQA. CRA similar to triangle CBA. Now by AA similarity, triangle CRA similar to triangle, sorry children, BQA, right? Because we are discussing triangle CRA and BQA. Now, we are going to apply the corresponding sides are proportional. Once if you say the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. How to say? AC divided by AB. AC divided by AB equal to, now CR divided by BQ. CR divided by PQ. Now what is the value of CR? CR value you know, that is 3, which implies AC divided by AB equal to, CR value is 3, 3 divided by BQ value is Y. BQ value is Y. Now, which implies AB equal to Y into AC divided by 3, that is equation number 2. That is equation number 2. See children, from 1 and 2, CB equal to Y into AC by 6, then AB equal to Y into AC divided by 3. Now you are going to add the equation, right? 1 plus 2. Right, left hand side, AB plus CB. See here, AB plus CB, that is equal to AC. Right, AB plus CB, that is equal to AC, which is equal to, in both the things which is common, Y into AC is common, the number alone should be 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now I told you AB plus BC is nothing but AC equal to Y into AC. Now you are going to take LCM in the bracket, that is 6. 1 plus 2 times 3 appears 2 times in 6, so you have to multiply your numerator by 2. Then AC cancel, 1 equal to y into 3 by 6. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Now which implies y is equal to 2. Which implies y is equal to 2. 1 equal to y by 2. Then it becomes y equal to 2. They are expecting to find the value of y. Therefore, y equal to 2 meter. Y equal to 2 meter. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.